Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Literally long time no talk. I feel like this is probably not the video that you are expecting for me to post as like my first coming back video. It's kind of hard to explain if you guys want to know like where I've been and like what I've been up to. As you guys know, I moved from Yongin to Seoul and I've been currently working in Seoul for almost a year now. It's been a lot. I am moving again. I am staying in Korea, but I am moving again. I'm actually moving to Apgujeong, so it's a different area of Seoul than what I'm currently in right now. The reason I honestly haven't been posting is because with my current job, I just really don't have the time or the mental capacity to be filming and editing. Couldn't really do that to myself. Honestly, my workload was a lot. I had to take a lot of my work home with me. Last year, I previously didn't have to take my work home. That's honestly why I kind of fell off of YouTube. I've been still trying to be active. Obviously, like you guys have been seeing like my shorts. I haven't been able to like sit in front of a camera or like even vlog, and I just like kind of lost passion for editing and filming, but I really do miss it, so I want to try and get back into it again. But today I have a ZAFUL haul for you guys. It's getting a lot colder. I need some new clothes for work too. I'm gonna have links to everything that I purchased down in the description box below, so you can just click on the link if you guys are interested in any of the clothing items or products that I mentioned in this video. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is actually the cardigan that I'm wearing right now. This is just this white and nude geometric pattern cardigan. I am a big fan of cardigans. I love them. They're so comfy. You can style them in so many different ways. You can wear them with different things, and I kind of wanted to not get black. Like, I have a lot of black clothes in this haul again, but I wanted to move away from that because my entire wardrobe is basically black, and I wanted things that weren't black as well. This is what this cardigan looks like. I absolutely love it. Oh, a little bit oversized. I think it sits nicely, it fits nicely, it's comfy, it's warm. Also, you can use my code AH24 to get 24% off of your purchase. You can use it on any order that you want, so use that code. Who doesn't love a discount? And then I actually got another cardigan, and as I literally said that I wanted to steer away from black, it is a black cardigan, but this one is kind of an interesting black cardigan. So it has more of like a cable knit, I guess, pattern to it, and it's very cropped and it's like cut, kind of, if that makes sense. Like if you can see, it's a little bit cut there. Really interesting, but the style's really in Korea, like the crop cut off cardigan thing, and you wear like it with a tank top. Definitely not really for work. I think that's just more so for me, like when I go out. And then I got two dresses. They're pretty much like the same style. First one is this green dress. It's almost like an emerald green, I guess, and has this like crisscross in the front. They're long sleeves. A lot of the clothes I got are long sleeve, especially because like when I work, I have to cover my tattoos. I'm just used to covering them, but they have a little bit of a flare at the end of the sleeve, which I thought was really interesting and really pretty. And it cinches at the waist a little bit, and it's a really pretty color. Honestly, I will probably just wear it for work purposes just because I love wearing dresses to work. It's not my usual style, if that makes sense. And then this one is more of a blouse material. Do kind of look alike in the way that they fit because it's the same V-neck. Oh my god, someone's screaming out my window. It's the same kind of crisscross neckline, and it also has the long sleeves with a little bit of that flared bell end. This one you actually do have to wrap yourself. It comes with like these two ties. You wrap it around your waist. There's a hole right here that you put one of the ribbons through and you tie it. This one is definitely very see-through, so I will have to wear like a tank top underneath it. Yeah, that's like one thing about this dress. This one is pretty see-through. I just like the style of dress. I like flowy dresses for work. I think that they're very comfortable. It's so easy. This is the last clothing piece. I got this padded vest, and I used to be a vest hater, I can't lie, because I was like, won't your arms still be cold if you wear it? But I think vests look so cool now. Honestly, my style has changed a lot since being in Korea. They're so trendy here. You always want to be like on the trends. I've seen seen those cool girls walking around wearing the vests, and I was like, I want one too. This is kind of imitation leather. It's obviously not real leather. Like, honestly, this type of leather kind of looks like a trash bag. I like it. It's not cropped at all. Like, it's a little bit oversized. I think I got this in a medium. It has buttons down the front, and then it zips up. There's pockets. I can't wait to wear this with like a hoodie and sweatpants. I am obsessed. It's everything that I wanted and more. It's probably my favorite clothing piece that I got. And then for accessories, the first thing I got was a purse. So this is what this purse looks like. It's kind of like that, what do you call it, a saddle purse. The shape is like a saddle bag or whatever. It's obviously fake leather. It has a long strap that you can adjust. The only thing about this strap, I don't know how to describe it, but it has these little knobby things that you have to put through the holes in the other strap. So if you like look at it, it detaches like this. If I put this here, there's no holes in the purse. Like, it doesn't make sense. I love the shape of the purse, don't get me wrong. I just think that that's kind of strange. But I do like this purse. I was using it all day today. It's a really good size. It fits a lot of things in there. The last thing I got were a pair of Mary Jane loafers. They're so cute. They're not here right now because they shipped in a separate box. I'll just put a picture up on the screen. They have heart buckles and they're just so cute. I'm really obsessed with preppy clothes right now, and I loved these Mary Janes. I cannot wait. I hope that they come really, really soon though, so I can try them on. I hope that they fit nicely. That is everything that I got from ZAFUL. Thank you so much to ZAFUL for sending me all of these items. It's super, super kind of you. And you can use my code AH24 to get 24% off of your purchase. You can use it anytime. I'm looking to film more videos in the future. I will see you guys in my next video. It feels weird saying that, but I really want to try my best to film more videos for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.